Welcome to Masdar money-making platform. Register with phone number and all required details, then click on Send to receive verification code to register, and it will be successfully done. Now here, click on Send for the verification code to set the trade password. Now after successful registration, you'll find the recharge withdrawal, service, and VIP on the homepage. Now on the homepage, there are two main plans that can help make money. The first plan is the stable. For the stable package, all the packages are valid for 35 days, and you can earn up to 27,000 cedis daily. Remember, the income from stable profit can be withdrawn after the number of days for the investment is ended. Now for the second plan, which is VIP, you can earn up to 150,000 cedis daily. The profit for the stable plans can be withdrawn every day until the investment period ends. Remember, the first VIP one has to be unlocked before a higher VIP can be purchased. The first VIP one can last for 99 days and the daily income is 5 cedis. The higher VIP can last for 3 days. That's cool, right? Now let me introduce you to the activity plan. For the activity plan, the first package costs 180 cedis, the daily income is 99 cedis, and the total profit is 990 cedis, and the package expires after 10 days. The second package costs 550 cedis, the daily income is 319 cedis, and the total profit is 3,190 cedis, and the package expires after 10 days. The last activity plan costs 20,000 cedis, and the daily income is 14,000. The total profit after 10 days is 140,000 cedis. Remember, for each of the activity plans, the total income is paid after 10 days. So after 10 days, the total income can be withdrawn to your Momo or Telecel Cash. That's so simple, right? Now for the team, every user can earn up to 36% total commission from level 1, 2, and 3. Don't miss the opportunity. Now click on blog for bonus and reward. Just select release and upload your withdrawal screenshot and add a content. Then after uploading withdrawal screenshot, the platform will give you some reward for the upload. That's so simple, right? Register to join and unlock more opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.